Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Tatak RMN.
That portion was brought to you by Omega Painkiller. Sa bawat aray, i-Omega Painkiller agad. In as fast as 30 seconds, dama ang bisa ni Omega Painkiller. Ang ating hashtag kasangga sa bawat aray.
Goodbye to me, mancha. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan. Bright bar blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, mancha. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS. Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng pati virus, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Bilib ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses
Sa
Association.
sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
We are Land Bank, and we are here for you. We are Land Bank, helping make your dreams come true. We start with a brave new world, a world for me and for you. Land Bank, serving the nation. Land Bank.
Serving the nation for 60 years, Land Bank is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, member PDIC and BancNet.
Cali, Cali, pop up, Bobby Cali, pop up, Cali, Cali, pop up, Cali, para sa perky ang moon, Cali, pop up, bubbly ang sarap, Cali, pop up, sparkling apple, pineapple, uy meron ding light, may Cali sa malapit, babili ka na. Cali, Cali, pop up, Bobby Cali, pop up, feeling good, sarap.
No alcohol ang Cali, kaya bubbly sarap for everybody.
Bilang isang ina, marami akong obligasyong kinakaharap araw-araw. Ramdam ko ang sakit ng katawan, parang tinutusok-tusok. Kaya sa simula pa lang ng sakit ng katawan, Omega Painkiller agad ang kasama. Dahil may lamig-init sensation na nanunuot in as fast as 30 seconds. Para sa gaan ng pakiramdam na magaan sa bulsa. Kaya para sa mga ina na patuloy na nagtataguyod ng pamilya, Omega Painkiller. Kasama ko sa araw-araw. Methyl salicylate plus camphor plus menthol is a generic name of Omega Painkiller. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya! May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Boom, puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast! White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Dalawa lang yan, pag-asa o pangamba. Suriin ang iyong sarili. Tunay nga bang handa ka na sa pagdating ni Jesus? Kaya ngayon, kailangan magsisi na kayo. Lumapit sa Diyos para patawarin niya ang inyong mga kasalanan at matanggap niyo ang bagong kalakasan. Acts 3 verses 19 to 20. Repent. Turn to Jesus today. He is the only way to heaven. Brought to you by MX3.
MX3. Dito ako believe. Tatak RMN. Maskin donde hasta cuando. Tatak RMN.